Barista and Coffee Training. Introduction to Barista Training. Barista training equips individuals with the skills and knowledge to craft high-quality coffee beverages, understand coffee beans, and deliver excellent customer service in cafes or coffee shops. Key objectives: learn coffee bean types and origins, master espresso and milk-based drinks, understand coffee equipment operation and maintenance, develop latte art and presentation skills, practice customer service and cafe etiquette. Coffee knowledge. Types of coffee beans: Arabica, smooth, aromatic, less bitter; Robusta, stronger, more caffeine, slightly bitter. Roasting levels: light roast, fruity, mild flavor; medium roast, balanced, caramel notes; dark roast, bold, bitter, chocolatey. Grinding. Proper grind size is crucial. Fine for espresso, medium for drip, coarse for French press. Essential equipment and maintenance: espresso machine, learning extraction, tamping, dosing; grinder, consistent grind for flavor accuracy; brewing methods: pour over, French press, AeroPress, mocha pot; milk frother / steam wand, proper steaming techniques for lattes and cappuccinos; cleaning and maintenance. Regular cleaning ensures taste consistency and machine longevity. Espresso and coffee preparation. Espresso basics. Dose: 18-20 g for double shot. Extraction time: 25 to 30 seconds. Yield: 30 to 40 milliliters per shot. Popular coffee drinks: espresso, single or double shot; Americano, espresso plus hot water; latte, espresso plus steamed milk plus thin layer of foam; cappuccino, espresso plus equal parts steamed milk and foam; mocha, espresso plus chocolate plus milk. Milk texturing and latte art. Steaming milk to 60 to 65 degrees Celsius for silky texture. Free pouring techniques for hearts, rosettas, tulips. Importance of milk to foam ratio for each beverage. Sensory and tasting skills. Develop a palate for acidity, sweetness, bitterness. Coffee cupping techniques to evaluate quality. Recognize flavor profiles of beans from different regions. Customer service and cafe etiquette. Communication skills, friendliness, and efficiency. Handling orders accurately and quickly. Knowledge of menu items to guide customers. Barista certifications. SCA, Specialty Coffee Association, Barista Skills, internationally recognized. Latte art courses, focus on presentation. Coffee brewing and roasting courses, advanced skills. Training format. Duration: 1 to 6 weeks, depending on level. Hands-on practice: espresso machines, grinders, brewing methods. Workshops: latte art, sensory evaluation, customer service simulations. Tips for aspiring baristas. Practice espresso extraction daily. Taste and compare different beans regularly. Keep your workspace clean and organized. Watch tutorials and attend workshops for latte art. Learn to troubleshoot common machine issues.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more hospitality tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and share with your friends and others.